It's no secret that treadmills are not only a great way to burn fat and build muscles, but they can also offer a workout unlike any other. However, with so many brands and models of treadmills, it can be difficult to know which treadmill is the best one for you. It's certainly tempting to go for the cheapest option or simply buy the one you see in your local mall, but this may not be the best way to go about it. There are many products available to choose from best treadmills with TV, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best treadmills with TV from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series 8.5S Treadmill. The NordicTrack T-Series 8.5S treadmill is a high-quality treadmill that is perfect for anyone who wants to get a great workout. The treadmill has a 14-inch interactive HD touchscreen that streams on-demand iFit workouts directly to your equipment and provides easy stats tracking. The treadmill also has a 12% one-touch incline control and a 12 mph smart one-touch speed control. The treadmill has a 20x60 tread deck that offers plenty of leg and elbow space while you run. The treadmill also has an innovative space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist, which means your treadmill can fold up after your run for compact, simple storage. The treadmill has a 300-pound total weight capacity and is protected with a 10-year frame warranty, 2-year parts warranty, and 1-year labor warranty. Number 2. Proform Pro 2000 Smart Treadmill. The Proform Pro 2000 Smart Treadmill is a great choice for anyone looking for a quality treadmill. It has a 10 HD interactive touchscreen display that streams on-demand fit workouts into your home directly on your treadmill. The self-cooling Mach-Z motor is perfect for effective running and cardio training at home. The -3 to 12% digital incline controls and 0 to 12 mph digital quick-speed controls make it easy to adjust your speed and incline with the touch of a button. The 20x60 tread belt is perfect for tall runners and allows you to stretch out your stride. The folding space-saver design is perfect for compact storage. The Rebound Pro deck cushioning makes it a comfortable choice for anyone. The 300-pound user capacity makes it a great choice for anyone. It is protected with a 10-year frame warranty, 2-year parts warranty, and 1-year labor warranty. Number 3. Bowflex Treadmill T22. The Bowflex Treadmill T22 is a high-end treadmill with a 22-inch console that has an HD touchscreen. It offers a 1-year JRNY membership, which is a $149 value. With the JRNY membership, you can assess your fitness level, create custom workouts that are personalized to your unique capabilities, and receive coaching and feedback that guides you through your workouts. You can also watch Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video on the console while you work out. The Bowflex Treadmill T22 also has a motorized incline of -5% to 20%, and it comes with extended handlebar grips for high incline workouts. It has a 223x603 running path with Comfort Tech deck cushioning, and it can reach speeds of up to 12 mph. The treadmill also has Bluetooth wireless speakers and a soft drop folding technology that safely lowers the deck from the raised position. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is a high-end treadmill that is packed with features to help you reach your fitness goals. It has a 10-inch interactive HD touchscreen that streams on-demand iFit workouts directly to your equipment and provides easy stats tracking. The Smart Response motor is great for effective running and cardio training. The -3 to 15% one-touch incline control and 12 mph smart one-touch speed control make it easy to adjust the intensity of your workout. The innovative space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist means your treadmill can fold up after your run for compact, simple storage. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is a great choice for those who are serious about their fitness goals. It is a bit expensive, but it is worth the investment. Number 5. Proform Smart Pro 5000. The Proform Smart Pro 5000 is a quality product with a 10-inch HD interactive touchscreen display. You can stream on-demand iFit workouts into your home directly on your treadmill with this machine. Additionally, the self-cooling Mach-Z motor is great for effective running and cardio training at home. This model also has a -3 to 12% digital incline control and 0 to 12 mph digital quick-speed control. You can adjust your speed and incline with the touch of a button. With it, your trainer will automatically adjust your treadmill for you. The 20x60 tread belt is spacious and allows you to stretch out your stride. The folding space-saver design is also great for compact storage. Additionally, the Rebound Pro deck cushioning is a great feature that adds comfort to your workout. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.